Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2004 Chevy Venture. And this, like most of our vans, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van, so I'll get right to the conversion. This is an Amerivan conversion. It's got a side entry manual ramp and door. Sliding door opens up just like so, no problems. Very easy to do, very little to go wrong. You've got a handle here on this ramp. This is formerly a electric ramp, so we've unhooked the motor. It is a little bit heavy when you take it to the ground. By heavy, I'm going to guess 15 to 20 pounds. This is not one of our spring assisted ones, so be aware it does have a little pressure to go to the ground. It's not super heavy, but I want to be honest with all our customers and let them know what they're getting themselves into. 30-inch wide ramp. We'll take some measurements on the ramp and door, include those in the ad. It's got the carbon fiber floor, very easy to clean. You can see the tie down points. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Back seat looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. I see 3 seat belts back here, so it should hold 3. It's not a real big seat, but you know, 3 children and 3 smaller people probably wouldn't be an issue. Removable front seat, passenger seat there. Up on the dash, it's pretty good condition, especially for the age. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. Pretty simple, pretty basic van. Heat and air. It does have the rear air though. That's a nice feature to have. So once you've got all your passengers secure, you come back out. It's got rear air controls back here as well. It does look like this knob is broken off, so it's probably something that's going to need to be adjusted from the front there. That's not something we're going to fix at this price. We're trying to get a basic run and drive van at an affordable price. Every dollar I put into these vans, I have to get back out of them. So the ramp goes up pretty easy. Like I said, it's not super difficult to do. As I do a walk around on the vehicle, the body's pretty clean, very nice condition. For the age, it's got the tinted windows in the rear. Give you privacy and keep you nice and cool in the summertime. I see a small crack in the ground effects down there. These tires look like they're matching Mastercrafts. Still have a lot of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they're very good condition. The van overall, you'll tell by the pictures and of course the video, pretty sharp looking. Paint still shines. Windows look good. Tires look good. It's got the alloy wheels on it. So certainly no major body damage or no major big dents in it or anything. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's a pretty nice van. Pop the back. Got your spare tire back there. Both these seats will fold down with ease if you need to fold them down to make a little bit more storage room back here. The other one will do it too. The headliner's in good condition. The van comes with 1 key and 1 fob. The fob is currently working. You can hear it. If you do want us to get more keys and fobs made at your cost, let us know. We get discounts because we do so much business with our locksmith. The interior of the van is very clean. The interior looks darn near brand new. I mean, it's extremely clean. The power driver's seat still works just fine. We've got the plastic down there to protect the van, protect the flooring. On the passenger side, much of the same, very clean. Clean floors, like I said, clean dash. See a little bit of residue from some tape right there. I'll see if we can't get that off of there. On this van, we gave it an inspection. We put new rear shocks, new left and right lower control arms for the rear, right rear wheel hub. We changed the transmission fluid and filter. We changed the oil and filter. New heater hoses to the rear unit and a power steering pump. So we don't try to make these brand new, but as you can see, you take that over to shop, you're probably looking at $1,500 to $2,000 worth of work. So we do service these things. Current miles 195,891. You can see the airbag light is on. I'm being very honest about that. Our mechanics looked at it. They said the wiring it all looks okay, but they can't figure out why it's on. If you want us to diagnose that airbag light, take it to a shop with maybe better equipment that we have to diagnose it, we will. That's going to be at your cost. You can see there's no check engine light on, no ABS, none of that. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.4 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, sounds good. Good response time as I crawl underneath the van. No major signs of rust. One thing these Chevys come with is the oil pan gasket. Very cheap part, very hard to get to. You have to lift the entire engine. So this does have a tiny little drip of an oil leak. It will leave a spot. We leave it set for about a week in our warehouse. It left a spot of about the size of a little smaller than a silver dollar. So if that's something you want fixed, unfortunately we have to lift the entire motor out to replace one little gasket. It's a horrible design by Chevy, but if you want us to do that, we can at your cost. It's about $1,200. We're not trying to represent a perfect van, and any older van is going to have these kind of quirks in it. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about it. So no matter who you buy from, make sure they're crawling underneath the vehicle. They're showing you what's going on. If they won't make a 10-minute video like this, then who are you buying from, folks? Buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business for 8+ years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you can see by our videos we're being honest and fair as we possibly can about our vehicles. And we're showing you these very small issues. Let's take it on the highway though. You're going to see it runs and drives real nice. Power windows work, power locks, we've checked all those. Power windows, or power mirrors, I'm sorry. You can see the passenger side, driver's side, and then passenger side. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I get the van on the highway, while I'm on these bumpy city streets, I want to show you that ramp does rattle just a little bit. Most older mobility vans have a little bit of rattle in the ramp. I wanted to show that to you, so you're aware of it. Again, no surprises. Let's get the van out. I'm going to give it some gas so you can hear it run. Hear the engine run strong. Feel the transmission shift. My guys have tested the heat and the air in this radio. They all work good. The van accelerates nice. Got up to about 67 miles an hour. I'm going to back it down a little bit. We've got 60 miles an hour through here. We've got the cruise control set about 62. Cruise works good. Van drives nice and straight down the highway. You can see the steering wheel is solid there. It's firm, straight. It's not vibrating back and forth. What I'll do is I'll take the next exit. I'll give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see that there's no brake noise or vibration. And folks, when you're comparing us, keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You need to ask the other dealers, do they have an A+ rating? And if not, why not? And of course, when you're buying from an individual, you have no idea about their reputations. You have no idea who you're buying from. It can be risky. We don't have any hidden administrative fees, no document fees, no tag fees. Be sure to ask other dealers, do they have those hidden fees? Because that's not the way I do business. We have over 500 reviews on eBay. 500 people said we did a good job. 0 people said we did them wrong. You can't beat that. And finally, do they get out and make a video for you? Do they crawl underneath the van? Do they take it on a test drive? So you know exactly what you're getting. Because obviously we do, because you're watching it. As I brake, there's no grinding, there's no squeaking, there's no unusual noise. So overall, of course, it's not a brand new van, but it's a very serviceable van. It drives nicely down the highway. Everything seems to work. I've let you know about the 2 small issues, the airbag light and that very light oil leak. You might have to put a quart of oil in it once a month, or if you want us to fix it, we can at your cost. But overall, for the price, very serviceable van. Runs and drives real nice, very clean. So if you ever want to see this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time is important. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. My name is Jeremiah. Check us out 24 hours a day on our website. See all of our inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.